Reverend Father Innocent Joji of St. Luke's Catholic Church, Kubwa in the F City, has called on youths in the country to shun vices of cultism and drug abuse, but rather engage in ventures that add value to their life. He spoke in an interview with newsmen at the sidelines of the 12th Reverend Father Anselm Ojefwa's commemoration lecture in Abuja.
The qualities and the mandate he has given to fight prayerfully the ills of our society, be it kidnapping, be it robbery, be it cultism, and what have you. We should emulate him. If we emulate him, Nigeria will be very sane, very beautiful. It's a beautiful country that one wants to live. Cultism is very dangerous, and they should try to cut off from it. Apart from that, drugs has been a very, very big challenge, and many of them take drugs. And a drug addict has a short life to live. So we don't benefit anything from violence, from killings. So for the young, and also for the families, let's begin from the family to sensitize our youth, to ensure that they do the right thing, and to engage them, to keep them busy. We know government cannot create all the jobs necessary, but they organize private sector, and when the youth are able to acquire skills, they will even be employers of the labor. So instead of wasting their life, wasting the life of others, they should engage in more productive ventures for their self-development, the development of their families, and the country at large.
Also, Professor Bamidele Sani of Benson Idahosa University, Benin City, urged Christians and Nigerians to be spiritual and love their neighbors like the late Ojefwa.
We should be spiritual. We should not be selfish. For now, the government is preaching against corruption. If you are spiritual in what you do, and you love your neighbor, you love the next Nigerian, you will not do many of the bad things. And this is part of the preaching of this nobleman who died some years back.
In 1953, Ojefwa, at the instruction of the Catholic bishops of Nigeria, established the Order of the Knights of St. Mulumba, Nigeria, to counter cultism and other vices in the society. Late Reverend Ojefwa was born in 1910 and died in 1988.